Hi, and welcome to the EZReader TaskBar Icon tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to change the icons that appear on the taskbar. With the EZReader taskbar open, press the keyboard shortcut S as in selection to open the selection screen. The selection screen will provide a full list of applications to choose from. As you hover over the icons, you will see a prompt telling you what application each icon represents. The icons that are highlighted are the icons currently selected to be on the taskbar. To remove one of the highlighted icons, simply click or touch on the icon. You will see the highlight disappear. Simply click or touch the icon again to highlight and add back to taskbar. The blank icons simply represent a blank space on the taskbar. They do not represent any application. Once you've selected your icons for the taskbar, please make sure you hit Save on the toolbar located at the top of the selection screen. Once you hit Save, this will exit the selection screen and take you back to the taskbar. Here you will see your new selections listed on the taskbar. Please note that the number of icons that appear on the taskbar change as you adjust the size of the taskbar. Remember, keyboard shortcut R, as in resize, will change the size of the taskbar. You can potentially add all icons to the taskbar, but only a certain number will be visible due to the size of the taskbar. You can also add a scroll or a jump feature to the taskbar. Keyboard shortcut Control-Alt-W, as in Word, will loop through these options. Scroll on will let you right and left arrow, or scroll by touch through the icons on the taskbar. Control-Alt-W again turns jump on. This will put an arrow icon called Next Icons on the taskbar that let you jump through the icons on the taskbar when selected. Scroll jump off will show only the icons that fit on the screen. The taskbar can be customized in many different ways based on your needs. Please watch other videos in the taskbar series for more details. You can also reach out to our support team for help customizing the taskbar.